In today's video, I'm going to teach you open journals. We'll walk through how to open your journal, use the slash menu to format and structure your notes, and keep everything clean and easy to scan. Start by opening your journal space. Look over to the left sidebar and click Journals. This takes you into your main note area. Once you're in, click anywhere on the page to place your cursor, then press the / key. That single slash opens all the note tools right where you're working, so you don't have to hunt through menus. You'll see a set of quick commands. Use #H1 to create a main heading. This is perfect for the title of your note or the big theme you're focusing on today. If you need sections under that, choose #H2 for subheadings. Subheadings help break your content into clear parts, like ideas, research, or next steps, and they make scanning much faster. For action items, pick To Do. This inserts a task line with a checkbox, ideal for things you actually need to do. Keep each task concise and start it with a strong verb, so it's obvious when it's complete. If you want to pull in a key takeaway or a reference, use #quote. A quote block sets important text apart without distracting from the rest of your note. When something needs emphasis, choose Highlight. It's a simple way to draw attention to a definition, a deadline, or a decision. If your note is getting large and a topic deserves its own space, select /page to create a new page. This keeps your main journal tidy while keeping related content close at hand. For structured data or comparisons, insert a grid with /table. Tables are great for timelines, checklists with details, or quick side-by-side notes. If you're capturing commands or code snippets, use /code to drop them into a clear, readable block. And for visual thinkers, Draw opens a drawing canvas where you can sketch a quick diagram or map out a process. After choosing any /command, just type normally. The formatting is applied automatically so you can stay focused on your content. Keep headings short, make to-dos specific, and use highlights sparingly so they stand out. To add structure, press Tab to indent. This nests an item under the one above it, which is perfect for grouping related notes under a heading or placing subtasks under a main task. If you need to bring something back to a higher level, press Shift+Tab to outdent. A clean hierarchy makes long notes much easier to navigate. That's it. Click into Journals, press / to pick your tools, type your content, and use Tab and Shift+Tab to keep everything organized.